In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Search for Facebook Support Team Contact in Chrome. Select Contacts to Facebook under the Help Center. Next, replace the search with Support Inbox and enter. Click the three-dash menu at the top and choose Support Inbox from the options. You'll need to enter your name in the login field and leave the password blank, and click Login. Click on Did you forget your password? And enter your full name and click Search. If many names show, select I am not in the list. Next, enter a friend's name and select your account. And click Try another way. If No longer have access is missing, install Facebook Lite on your phone. Open Lite, click on Forgot Password and search by email. Enter your email or full name and click on Search. And select your account or click I am not in the list. Next, try another way and scroll and click No longer have access to these. Follow prompts, confirm and enter a new email. Follow the instructions to regain access. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.